Goldfields Limited is one of the world's largest gold mining companies, operating mines in Australia, South Africa, Ghana, Peru and Chile. The Agnew gold mine is one of 4 operated by Goldfields in Australia, and it carries a long history of gold production dating back to the 1970s. Expanding operations to include a 3rd underground source, Agnew needed changes to increase plant throughput, in particular its 21-year-old tertiary crushing circuit.
So the old tertiary crushing circuit was past its use-by date. It was requiring a lot more maintenance than what we'd like to put into a crushing circuit, and it was really struggling to provide the throughput and the product size that we needed.
Goldfields envisioned more than just an upgrade. They sought a transformational solution with operational safety as a key priority.
So from a safety perspective, the old crushing circuit had spillage issues, and housekeeping is paramount to a safe operating plant. So that was the number one. It was very difficult to get in and get under working conveyors to keep them clean.
The new equipment would be modern, easy to maintain, and built for vastly improved throughput. Bolstered by a long-standing relationship with Sandvik and a solid performance history of Sandvik crushers at other Goldfields sites, the Goldfields team chose to go with Sandvik's proposal of a fully modular plant, engineered for installation with minimal disruption to Agnew's production schedule.
We needed someone who was open to being able to design a crushing circuit which was smart, which was modular, and certainly wasn't going to impact upon production.
The scope of supply included a Sandvik reciprocating feeder, grizzly screen, jaw crusher, 2 cone crushers and associated pan feeders, as well as a double-deck multi-slope screen fitted with ScreenX screening media. Sandvik also provided bins, chute work, associated wear protection and conveyors. The new circuit was built on the old ROM pad with a smart modular design that reduced associated civil costs.
The equipment needed to be efficient. They needed to be able to supply spare parts. We wanted someone who had a lot of local representation, and look, Sandvik had that. So in the end, it was an obvious choice why we wanted to work with Sandvik on this project.
The plant's design prioritised access, automation and safety, enabling one operator to manage the entire circuit from a single control room.
So what I like about the Sandvik equipment is it's a simple design. It's easy to operate. The process control around the equipment means that they'll self-adjust, they'll maintain a gap, which means we don't have to rely on our process operators to be making regular changes and having inconsistencies about how the equipment is run. It is set with a set of parameters, and then the equipment runs itself.
The result is a finer crushed product that would improve mill throughput from 155 to 170 tonnes per hour and overall plant efficiency by 18%. Dust reduction, improved water drainage and better housekeeping have all made a noticeable difference, reducing environmental impact, improving conditions for operators and offering immediate financial benefits for the company. The new plant delivers over $1.5 million in annual savings, which allowed the project to achieve a full return on investment in under 3 years. A focus on strong collaboration at all stages was a key driver of the project's success.
We had input from myself, technical specialists in Perth, and we really worked across a multiple company team, and we got really what we thought was the best of the best in terms of the input and the openness to ideas.
Goldfields and Sandvik worked side by side to meet challenges, engineer solutions and ultimately deliver results.
The overall outcome of this project was extremely positive. It's achieved exactly what we set out to do. It's improved automation. We are now able to control the circuit remotely from a main control centre. It's reduced the reliance on labour that we had. It's improved the working environment for our people. They're no longer contending with dust and spillage that the old crusher created for our workforce. The other benefit, of course, we've seen the uptick in production. We're getting 18% more throughput through our crushing circuit now. So look, the project's been extremely positive for Goldfields.
Today, the Agnew circuit sets a new benchmark for performance, safety and future readiness.